Communities across the U.S. took part in National Drug Take-Back Day today. The main goal is to combat the opioid epidemic. This year, though, the state officials had a focus on vaping, too.
But it's pretty clear that it's caused harmful effects to a lot of people. So we certainly want to discourage folks from engaging in any potentially harmful activity to their health.
Attorney General Josh Kaul kicked off Drug Take-Back Day today at the Urban League in Madison, announcing this year some locations were taking vape cartridges and pens without batteries. The Oregon Police Department was one of those. The department took in more than 100 pounds of unwanted medication. Francisco Almenara has you covered on why some people found it helpful and what you can do if you missed out.
Drug Take-Back Day at the Oregon Police Department was exactly what Lieutenant Jennifer Pagenkoff was expecting.
Busy. It starts off usually in the morning really busy. A lot of people come in, and then it typically tapers off, but we're still seeing quite a few coming in.
Now, the Oregon Police Department, much like other law enforcement agencies throughout the area, collects unwanted medication in this box here throughout the work week. But with the increased awareness of Drug Take-Back Day, they were able to gather more medication in one day than the box collects in 6 months.
A new initiative this year was to collect vape cartridges and pens, but no one dropped by any at the Oregon Police Department. Lieutenant Pagenkoff says they're going to continue taking them in during their normal med drop hours.
I am glad they did do it, though, because as we've seen in the news nationwide, it's definitely an epidemic, and it's not good for people. So we are very welcoming and taking those back if anybody's interested in turning them in.
Patrick Sy has been bringing his unwanted medication to this event for the past few years as a way to make sure no one takes it and it doesn't get into the water supply.
Just a shout out, this is a really good thing. I applaud the police department for putting this on, for having this available any day.
In Oregon, Francisco Almenara, 27 News.
If you missed Drug Take-Back Day, you can still use your local med drop location during business hours. The Attorney General said you should call your local police agency to see if they'll accept vape pens and cartridges.